How to accept crypto payments on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about accepting crypto payments on Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So let's get straight into it. So to accept crypto payments, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our settings tab over here. And in the settings tab, we're going to go over to the payments tab. Now, once you go to the payments tab, obviously you could either go with a crypto provider that you know of, or you could go with payment method. And once you go into payment method, just search up any crypto payment method that you have, okay? And you can start seeing that there's different cryptocurrencies. So there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, USDC, Dogecoin, any of them you want. So just go with these. And let's say I'm going to go with Ethereum, okay? Now, once you go with Ethereum, it's going to give you these providers that provide Ethereum. I'm going to go with Coinbase Commerce because Coinbase is a very well-known crypto exchange. So once you do that, click on Connect. Once you click on Connect, it's going to take you to the provider's installer. And all you're going to do is you're going to simply install this provider into your Shopify store. And you're going to obviously create a account on it, connect it with your store. And once you do that, it's going to allow you to, transfer payments through crypto into your store. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you are going to be accepting crypto payments on Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.